Custom na lang. Hey guys, what's up? Paano pa tayo? Hi Chrome! Ninang Luigi's here with
Ninang Jolo yan.
and siguro ilan taon na natin napanood ito. Napanood mo to siguro how many years na. Pero advice lang namin as your upcoming godparent, always be a good son to your mom and dad.
Lagi mo sila susundin and pag may natin mo kasi baka medyo kupal. Pero follow your dad. So,
Kidding aside, always follows your dad's and mom's guidance. Kasi it will really help sa lahat.
yan. Ay lang.
Bye-bye.
Hi baby! Sana lumaki ka ng maayos and makinig ka lagi sa parents mo. Excited na makita ka.
And sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
That's it. Bye-bye!
Hello, Ate Kim and Kuya Alfonso. I'm so happy for you. Congrats and thank you dahil kinuha niyo akong ninang kahit wala pa akong work. Yan lang. Love you too. Mwah.
Hi, it's Gal.
I'm Joshua, your ninang.
So yeah, we're very excited to see you. And I hope maging good boy ka and match mo mga dreams mo. And of course, sana makuha mo yung smile and eyes mo, mom.
Yun lang, wish you all the best and good luck, sir.
Hi, baby. I'm your Tita Pan. Tita Melo Sexy. Joke! So, ayun. Paglabas mo, syempre, or kapag malaki ka na, makikita mo itong video na to. Ewan ko kung Englishera ka ba, huwag ka muna maging Englishera, maging Taglish ka lang muna. Ha? So, ayun. Happy si Tita Pang kasi may baby boy na si Mami Jane. Si Shana kasi hindi mo masabi kung girl ba siya. Pero ito pure na boy. Siyempre, love na love ka namin. Naging mabait ka sa daddy at mama mo. So, mag-iinom tayo. Kasama ka na namin mag-Halloween party. Joke! Sana maging mabait kang baby. Tsaka maging marespeto. And love mo lang siguro. Yun lang. Love you. See you. Moms.
Hi, Kim! Hi, Alfonso. Congrats kasi magkakababy na kayong dalawa. Sana mahalin niyo yung isa't isa at yun, wala magloloko. Mahalin niyo yung mga anak niyo at magiging anak niyo at yung magiging baby niyo ngayon. Yun lang. Thank you sa pag-invite at invite niyo ako para maging ninang ako. Bye-bye!
This is Mishana, and you know, you're sweet and handsome, and you know, I hope you know you're being loved by others, and I hope you're cute. So, but
I'm your ate.
so I'm your ate for today.
For today lang. Forever.
Forever though.
Bye, Chrome.
Bye, Chrome though.
Hey, girl. So, this is it. It's your baby shower na. Me and Papa just prepare your celebration for baby shower. We're so excited to see you. I'm just preparing right now. And a little bit tired. And hungry.
Next, last one. Live in the city or in the province?
In the city. Taga-province ako eh.
Okay. Ako. Who will get more nervous on delivery? Daddy! Tama, daddy.
Ano price nito?
10,000.
Hey guys, so baby shower is done. And wait. Oh my god. Hindi na kasya. I'm 26 weeks pregnant. Ang laki niya. So, sa room mo.
Sana mo bigyan ako. Diyan, di ka, ano ka dyan? Ano, emergency.
Sa taas?
Ay, paano ka dyan agad?
Sa emergency, oh.
Yan.
Timid eh.
Maayos na yun.
Doon, hindi rito. Hindi pa namin.
Diyan tayo dumaan.
Hindi pa
Hindi tayo
masyado.
dumaan.
Pero hindi pa ganitong kagawa.
Sino ang emergency?
Ang tinititigan mo dyan na. Ang lago ng buhok niya.
Super. Cool.